I paint stuff like this. With this. Let me show you exactly what I use and why I'll never go back. This is what happens when you paint a little too much. But luckily this just arrived and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Hi, I am Magenta and I'm a full-time artist specialized in hyperrealism paintings with acrylics, and after years of testing supplies I finally found what really works for me. In this video I'm unboxing my absolute favorite materials, including the one paint that completely changed the way I work. So of course I'm going to start with the big one. And this is the star of the show. This is a Tri-Art Acrylics liquid series. It's made in Canada, and the first time I tried this I knew I was never going back. It's incredibly fluid, so you can work in very thin, precise layers without visible brush strokes. Perfect for realism. Even when I dilute it with water, the pigment load stays intense, and that's what makes the paint great. Tri-Art uses the same high-quality pigments you normally find in professional oil paints. That gives the acrylic an unusual rich color intensity and depth. A lot of people assume my work is done in oils, but this is the secret: liquid acrylics with the power of oil. And compared to other acrylics, this one doesn't dry as quickly, and that's perfect for the way I like to work. I like to work for hours and hours on one project at the same time. These are some essential colors I work with. This one is called Ultramarine Blue Classic. And I have Mars Black right here. And I have burnt Sienna. And let's see, this is Bismuth Yellow Light. And when starting out, you really need those base tones. And of course I have more. I'm going to add a list of essential base tones you need when starting out. And while you're watching 5 hours of painting condensed into 30 seconds, here's why good paint is worth it. It's all about the pigment. High quality pigment gives you clarity, depth and glow. Cheap paint might save money, but it costs time and frustration. If you want light to dance through your layers, you need paint that can handle the job. This is what you get when your materials don't hold you back. And there are some other colors from other brands I absolutely can't do without. And this is one from Windsor and Newton. And this is called Permanent Sap Green. This is such a beautiful color, such beautiful pigments. And I have Patello Green in this brand also. And Old Holland New Masters. This is a great brand as well. And I can't pronounce this color, this Indolino Orange. And if you know my paintings, I use a lot of black in my background. And I absolutely love this one. I have to dilute it with water because it's very pasty, but the pigment is just perfect. And brushes, well, that's one of my most asked questions. What kind of brushes are you using? They look so special because they look like this. And that's only because I leave them in the water for too long. So don't be like me. And this is how they should look. This is called a ridger brush, and Dutch is called sleper, which means dragging, because you can make those amazing fluid lines with this one. And the perfect thing about these brushes is that it holds more paint, but you still have that sharp point for those tiny details. Now this might be my favorite discovery, the peel off palette from Tri-Art. And it's made from special plastic that lets you peel off the dried paint. So no more disposable paper palettes or wooden ones that you forget to clean like I always did. It's simple, durable and really satisfying. Oh, and I'm almost forgetting this little package right here. They shipped my order in 2 different shipments and I really don't know what's inside this one. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think it's just this one color. It's called Old Holland Bright Violet from Old Holland New Masters. And yes, this is one of my favorite colors as well. Last but definitely not least, canvas. I use Belgian linen stretched on an aluminium frame. Wood stretches and warps over time, especially with large-scale work like I do. Aluminium stays perfectly tight and the texture of the linen is ideal for fine details. Super smooth, but still with just a bit of grip. And if you would like to try Tri-Art yourself, I have a discount code of 10% off. It's in the description and they ship internationally. I just love their stuff. So these are all the products I use in my studio, from all the paintbrushes I use and the paints and the canvases. But if you would like to see all these products in action, check out my full process videos. I'm sharing the whole journey. Let me know your favorite art supplies in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you find it helpful.